Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create a cash domination calculator in Microsoft Excel. Here you will put the amount and all the calculation will be done automatically. Here three columns are given: domination, number of notes and amount. In domination you will find the different type of domination. In number of notes and amount you will get by this formula. Here is a two formula. Here in first line you will type this formula, in second line you will type this formula and drag the cursor to the bottom. It will get all the calculation automatically. Now I will remove all the formula first, and now we will type this formula in this cell. But first understand what int function done. Here is a 58.50. If I type is equal to int and press tab key and select this number, it will get the result 58 only. Int function get only whole number. Now what does sum product function in Excel? If I multiply 5 and 5, it will get 25. If I multiply 5 and 5, it will get 25. And if I sum both of 25, you will get the 50. And sum product get this 50 here. If I type is equal to sum product, sum PR and press tab key, it will get sum product. First select this array and comma and select second array and press enter. It will get 50. Now we will use this formula here. Int function first, just type is equal to, because I want a number of notes, type is equal to and select this amount divided by domination and press enter. But use int function because it will get 16.15. Here just press F2 key and type here int and press enter. Now you will get 16. Here I will multiply 5000 to 60. You will get the amount is equal to, select this domination and multiply and select number of nodes and press enter. Now you will get the amount. Now here in second line you will type this formula. Just type is equal to int and press tab key and select this cell C3 and press F4 key for absolute it. If I drag this formula to the bottom, it will not change. Minus sum product and press tab key. Now in array 1 just select this one, and if you type Conal, it will get B6 again. In first B6 type F4 key, and in second B6 type F4 key 3 times. Now type comma and again select, and now you will select number of nodes C6, type colon, it will get C6 again, and in first C6 press F4, in second C6 press F4 3 times. close the bracket and divided by domination, this domination, and close the bracket and press enter. Now drag this to the bottom and drag this to the bottom. You will get your desired result. Now if I type here 50,000, you will get 50,010. Number of nodes are 10. You will get 50,000. Domination 5,000, required 10. Number of nodes, you will get 50,000 amount. If you type here 80,750, you will get, you need 5,000 domination 16, 500 domination 1, 100 domination 2, and 50 domination 1 you will require. This way you can calculate your domination. This way you can create cache domination calculator in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.